Conversion within the metric system. So the first one is length. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. And for weight, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. And volume is nothing but the capacity. One kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So the basic formula for solving the problems based on the length, weight and volume. So starting from kilo, hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, and the last one is milli. So here kilo is nothing but 1000 units and hecta is 100 units and deca is 10 units and base is 1 and deci means it's 1 by 10 units, centi is 1 by 100 units and milli is 1 by 1000 units. So this is the formula for calculating the values. So when you are asked to find out the higher values to the lower values, we have to multiply the powers by 10. At the same time, when we are asked to find out the value from lower unit to the higher unit, divide it by tens. Let's see exercise 2.1, third sum. Convert into indicated units. 10 liter and 50 milliliter into milliliter. So if you see here, milliliter is the unit what we have to convert. So here we have 10 liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore 10 liter is equal to 10,000 milliliter. Therefore 10 liter plus 50 milliliter is equal to 10,000 plus 50 milliliter. So which is equal to 10,050 milliliter. Third subdivision, 300 milligram into gram. So here we have to convert this milligram into gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So here we have 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So 1000 milligram we have to convert in terms of gram. That is 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. So since they have asked us to convert that 300 milligram into gram, 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. Therefore 300 milligram is equal to 300 into 1 divided by 1000 gram. So 2 zeros we can cancel. So 3 divided by 10 gram, which is equal to 0.3 gram. So 300 milligram is equal to 0.3 gram. Fourth sum, convert into higher units. So here 13,000 millimeter is given and the higher unit here is kilometer. So you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. So from here I am going to calculate 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. So from here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. So already for 1 meter I have calculated here. So 1 divided by 1000 into 1000 kilometer. Therefore 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 10 lakh kilometer. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 divided by 10 lakh kilometer. Therefore 13,000 millimeter is equal to 13 divided by 10 lakhs. So which is equal to, so here 13,000 divided by 10 lakh kilometer. So for this we can do a division here. So 13,000, so till this we have, so 13,000 divided by 10 lakh. So which is less than the divisor? So keep a decimal point, add a 0. Even then it is very less than the divisor. Therefore add a 0 in the quotient and also in the dividend. Therefore 10 lakh 1 times it is 10 lakh. So remainder is 3 lakhs. So 3 times it is 3 lakhs. So 3 times we will have it. So already we have kept a decimal point. So add a 0. So that it will become 30 lakhs. Therefore again 10 lakh into 3 times it is 30 lakhs. Therefore the answer is 0.013 kilometer.